another episode of the Pastry Bear Cooking Show. And as we continue our journey today on exploring popular Caribbean dishes, where we put our own twist on it to elevate the texture, the flavor, and the presentation. Today we decided to make another popular one that I grew up seeing my mom prepare, and you would sometimes find it in some parts of Jamaica. It's called peppered shrimp. Now typically it's made and served in a plastic bag. It's super spicy, but super flavorful. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my pepper. Now I'm going to slice this pepper super thin as the garnish, and the rest of the pepper I'm gonna dice it up and put it in a marinade. So the next step, we're gonna prepare our prawns, or what some people call shrimp. Traditionally, pepper shrimp are served with the shell on. So I'm gonna just remove a small portion of the shrimp shell so we can have easier access to the flesh. Now, I'm going to insert the bamboo skewers. Now the reason I'm doing this is because normally when you cook shrimp, they tend to curl. But I want, for presentation purposes, I want my shrimp to stay straight. I season with pepper flakes, salt, and olive oil to make sure each side is properly coated. I rotate and I season the other side. Now, I want you to understand that there's no way you can put too much pepper on it, because the more pepper you put is the better the flavor. Let's get started in the cooking. So the first thing I'll do is, I had some olive oil to the pot. I had the chopped pepper and chopped garlic. I let that saute for about 2 minutes. Then I had annatto. Now annatto is used just to get the color. It also gives good flavor. I'm gonna add the skins that I removed from the shrimp and add to the pot and let that saute for a little bit. And most of the flavor that the shrimp has comes from the skin or the shell. So I would make the sauce and I'm gonna put them down. I would sear the shrimp on each side, making sure I get a good crust. Add butter to it. Now I know some people are gonna say, oh, you're not supposed to put butter in it, but listen, I wanted to bring the flavor up of this dish. Adding butter to it will bring a creaminess to the shrimp and make the shrimp more juicier. I add salt and I spice it up with some pimento. Now 90% of everything that I cook, I put pimento and thyme in it because these are essential in our Jamaican cooking. I allow my shrimp to cook on each side and I add the remaining pepper. Again, you cannot add too much pepper. The dish is called peppered shrimp. We let that cook and simmer for about 2 more minutes. Then we add some lime juice. remove the bamboo skewers that I previously placed inside. I placed a plastic bag on the bottom of my surface because typically the shrimp would be served in a bag, and this bag will catch a lot of the juice and not let it run on the plate. I laid them out, and I'm just gonna let you watch as I speed up this video of the presentation. Now, as you see, I just added a jar of sauce. Now, the sauce that I'm adding is just the juice that is left over from the cooking of the shrimp. Thank you for watching the Pastry Bear Cooking Show, and that wraps up our dish of the week. If you like it, please like, subscribe, and share. And leave a comment below to let us know what's the next dish you think we should prepare.